Hey everybody, quick story on Jussie Smollett. He's still free in these streets for right now, but he's pleading to the Supreme Court to go back and honor his original plea deal that he made. He said he never should have been charged and had to go through a trial the second time because he had a plea deal. And then they reneged on it. But listen, he better call up what's the guy's name that is now being charged for the Russ incident where somebody unfortunately lost their life. First they told him, Alec Baldwin, first they told him, you're good, we're not going to charge you. Then they came back and now they're charging him and he's going to have to face the trial. Life is not fair. It's just not, Jussie. And you're going to have to pay the piper. It's just that simple. Now, listen, guys, we're going to get more into this story right after this. All right, let me go ahead and share this screen. Let's get right into this story. So Jussie Smollett appeals to Illinois Supreme Court. He said, I had a deal and prosecutors screwed me over. Well, there's plenty of people behind bars right now because they got screwed over. And I'm not saying that it's right, but I'm just saying it happens. So Jussie Smollett is telling the Illinois Supreme Court a deal's a deal. Specifically, the deal prosecutors made when they dismissed the first indictment for faking an attack. So he should never have been charged and prosecuted a second time. Now, is that called double jeopardy? I don't know the law like that. Somebody has to inform me and let me know. Chat with me in the comments and let me know. Smollett just filed legal docs with the highest court in the land of Lincoln, claiming after he was first indicted by the Cook County grand jury, the state's attorney offered him a deal to do community service, forfeit his bond to the city of Chicago, and the case would not be prosecuted. Jussie points to the prosecutor who said, after reviewing the facts and circumstances of the case, including Mr. Smollett's volunteer service in the community and agreement to forfeit his bond to the city of Chicago, the state's motion in regards to the indictment is to no pros, not prosecute. The prosecutor added, we believe this outcome is just a deposition and appropriate resolution to this case. Now, listen, he didn't tell the truth. He lied. I don't know why he lied. Maybe he needed therapy. Maybe he needed help. But if they did say, I will say, yeah, deal is a deal. Now, what happened in between that deal? I don't know. The whole thing is a whole hot mess. And I'm sure he's sick of it because I'm sick of hearing about it. But I think if he would have did those 100 whatever days that they wanted him to do, this would be done with already. I think he's prolonging the inevitable because those twins that he involved, they claim that Jussie is lying. Let's continue. Smollett says the reason he was indicted a second time, the special prosecutor gave in to public outcry. Jussie argues he did community service and forfeited his bond, so filing the case the second time amounts to double jeopardy. So see, that's what I was wondering. Smollett's argument has been rejected by the trial judge in the Illinois Appellate Court. So he's shooting his shot with the Supreme Courts of Illinois. Now, I want to say this. He's saying a deal's a deal. I am going to say a deal is a deal in this case. Why did he get trialed the second time? But since he went through trial, Do we now backtrack and throw that out? It happened. He was found guilty. Shouldn't he have fought this fight before he even went to trial in the first place? Y'all got to talk to me. Let me see if I can play this video.
At Vistaprint?
Let's see if I can skip this ad and let's see. Hold on one second. This is back when he got released the first time. I think he spent like 48 hours or something like that behind bars. Because he was carrying on behind the bars. He was saying, you know, his mental health. But that's everybody with their mental health behind bars. Especially when you first get behind there and you've never been before and you're not that type of person that has been in the criminal world for a long time or even part-time. This is him showing him coming out the first time. And he's 10 toes down to this day. 10 toes down that he didn't lie. But like I said, you got the twins running around doing all kind of interviews saying that Jussie lied, that he hired them.
Jussie, anything you want to say for yourself?
God bless the bodyguard. Tells you kind of slowing down the time period too with the mask and everything, right? Smollett's argument has been rejected by the trial judge in the Illinois appellate court, so he's shooting his shot with the Supremes of Illinois. Jussie was convicted of 5 felonies related to the fake attack and sentenced to serve 150 days. He served 6 days and released pending appeal. Listen, 6 days, 150 days. I mean, is what, a little under half a year? A little under half a year. Listen, at that point, because he would have been done with it and this would have been behind him. And listen, I know 150 days is a lot, but in comparison to what he was accused of and what he did, is it really a lot? I think he should have just did the 150 days and moved on, because what's going to happen if at the end, if this judge says, no, you know what, they were right, and you lose your appeal, you're still going to have to go behind bars for 150 days. I don't know how that works. But anyway, guys, chat with me in the comments. And when I get an opportunity, I will chat back. He's shooting his shot. And he's saying he should have never been tried in the first place. We will see how this goes. We're going to stay connected to the story, especially as we are waiting to see what Jonathan Major's sentence is going to be. Listen, guys, if you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and notification bell, so that every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Everybody, thanks for watching. Don't forget, hit the like button. Chat with me in the comments, guys. And when I get an opportunity, I will chat back. I'll see you in the next video.